light up wheels. Diba? Okay, now, let's have a review of the trolley bags. Okay. So, I have here one trolley bag. Yung iba na ipadala ko na sa Pinas. Kaya, I only have this. And, meron pala akong Minnie Mouse dito. So, yung mga trolley bags ng Smigel is, from what I observe, kahit grade 1 yung mga bata, mas gusto nila yung ganito. Kasi nandito na lahat. Nadadala na nila lahat ng books nila. Meron din kasi, this is the biggest size ng trolley bag. Kasi we have the teeny tiny, which is for mga nursery, ganyan. Then we have the junior size of the trolley bag. Then this one is the parang classic trolley bag. So this is the biggest size. Okay? So meron din siyang separate compartment for your laptops, folders. You can write your name as well here. Okay? And this is a trolley backpack. So, if ayaw hilahin ni Bagets, okay lang. Pwede niyang gawing backpack to. And, ito yung selling proposition niya. Yan. Meron siyang light up wheels. Diba? Yan. And, meron siyang pocket dito from some other stuff. And, you have the pocket here. And, meron din siya here. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. So, this is, ano pa collection to? Sorry naman, wait, nandito pala. Yung name ng collection is, nandito yun eh. Oh, Under Flutter. Okay. Meron siyang double-decker na lunch bag with strap. Hindi ko palang nare-receive. I ordered it. You can message me for reservation. Okay. May mga sale kami ngayon because back to school sale. Next is, and wait, ipakita ko yung details nito kasi cute-cute to eh. Ayan o. Kita nyo ba? Yung wings ng butterfly. And meron siyang grainy part dito which is glittery. Okay? Then, next is, I have here the classic Minnie Mouse trolley backpack. Ang ganda-ganda nito. Kung ako talaga ang bata, kunin ko to. Kasi yung material niya, this part is sequined. Okay? So, may mga sequins siya na perfectly laid out. Yan. And, look naman, the zipper. Talagang ang cute ng details niya. O, diba? And, ang pocket. Ganyan. What else? And, of course, the iconic ear of Minnie Mouse. O, diba? Because this one is simple, classic, cute. Ayan. Tapos, of course, backpack din siya. And, yung pocket niya, nakalagay Smigel and Disney. And I'm telling you guys, ang mga Smigel items is, sabi nung iba, pricey. I don't know how you define pricey. Pero, sa akin is, if magagamit mo siya ng few years, why not? Diba? It's, kung masusulit mo siya kung magagamit mo siya for several years ng bagets, maipapamana mo pa sa mga ninuno mo, syempre, sulit yun, diba? O, ayan. So, pwede yung lagyan ng name, meron ding laptop, may separate compartment for laptops and folders. And, of course, ang pinaka-importante siya ay, nasa na ba yun? Where? Wait lang. Oh, light up wheels. Okay, itatry natin. Oh, see? Kita nyo ba? Light up wheels din ito. Ayan. So, after this, I have, because I carry Smigel items as well as Charles & Kit items. All original po sa mga nagtatanong. Okay, I only go for original. What else do I have? 4-in-1 containers. Let's see. I have here the 4-in-1 containers. Buksan ko lang tong isa. So, may ganyan siya. Then, alam niyo yun, yung it gets smaller, different sizes. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay in between. So, madali siyang i-store. Ganyan. So, yung next size nito is purple din yung lid. And yung body is green. So, alternate lang siya. And ano pa ba yung mga saleable natin dito? Wait. I have the snack stack. Okay. So, ano yung mga snack stack? So, yung mga bagets natin na mahilig sa tidbits, ayan, ito isa sa mga saleable. So, 4 stacks siya of different sizes. Yan, pwede nyo pagpalit-palitin itong mga lid. Okay? Ayan, so ito yung for the boys, regular size. For the girls, regular size. Nasaan ang aking large nito? May large ako nito eh. I have. Wait lang mga ma'am. Wait lang, kukunin ko yung large. Ayan, okay. Ito yung snack natin na large size. So, sa mas magaganang bata, ito yung kinukuha ng mga mommies. So, wait. 4 containers siya. 120, itong pinakamaliit. Then, 120 ml. Wait, malabo ang mata ni Lola. 120, 180, 230, 290. Ayun po yung comparison. And, ito siya. Para makita nyo. Okay, so yung regular size naman is 60 ml, 90 ml, 120 ml, and 160 ml. Ganyan siya. Kita nyo ba? For next time, pag may magtanong sa akin, kasi hindi ko ma-justify. So, ito na po. Kita nyo ba ang difference sa size? Kita nyo na? Ayan. So, I think I'm done because may mga nagre-request din ng review for the Charles and Keith. So, magre-review ako ng Charles and Keith bags after this. Mga mamshies, reward yourselves. Kailangan natin yon. Okay, we're working hard. So, check our bags. All original from Charles and Keith. Thank you!